Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create system restore point in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just click on the Windows Start menu icon and just search for system properties, and you can see on the first list one option, view advanced system settings. Just click on it. Now just click on the system protection. Now just select the respective drive where you want to create a system restore point. So I'm gonna select the C drive, and after that just click on configure. Now just turn on the system protection, and now select the respective hard disk space that you want to give for your restore point. And once you're done with your settings, just click on apply, click on OK. Now just click on this create option. Now you can give whatever name you want to give and click on create. Wait for a few seconds until the complete process is done. So finally the restore point has been created successfully, as you can see the message. Now you can click on close. So now if you face any issue, then you can just click on the system restore and you can restore it back to the earlier restore point. And if you want to delete this created restore point, then just click on this configure. And you can just click on this delete, and you can click on this continue to delete this restore point if you don't need anymore. So right now I'll just keep it. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily create system restore point in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.